In this room we have two main works, the Butterfly Effect series. Also there is this installation called Mirage, apparently a lighting made by neon, but this is reflecting the shape of the branch. This is about to find similar shapes in nature, like veins of the body, like branches of a tree, like rivers. So this is like the visual proof that they are all made by the same energy. Butterfly Effect, it's a group of paintings, I would call them, made with the dust of the butterfly wings on canvas. They try to focus on the fragility on a butterfly that is able to build bigger things like a universe, a cosmos landscape, or a hurricane. And it's interesting how we can also see them from different perspectives and different views. The same canvas will change the color. It's also dealing with the fragility of the ecosystem as well, because when we are losing a lot of butterflies, they are almost in extinction, and this is a kind of an alarm for the health of the earth.